Catch how fast it went?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, DJI Mavic Air 2. Come on. Mavic Air 2. Time to set it up, guys. Alright, so this is the cool thing I'm already seeing here. As you can see, when you pull out the control station, you no longer need your own cable to plug it in to your phone. This is actually for iPhone. I don't know if they got an Android one. Is this an Android one on the other side? It is. They got Android and iPhone. Wow. But no, actually this needs to be plugged into the remote. So it's no longer the DJI Go 4. Now it is the DJI Fly app, the little white one right here. Open the DJI Fly app. Got to make sure everything is up to date before you put it in. Good old DJI. Let's go fly this thing. Let's do it. Yesterday I did not have the right propellers. Today it's on. There we go. Yes, signal to kick in. Alright, I need to make sure I'm on video mode, but I think we're good to go.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here it goes. Wow, guys.
What do you think?
Flies really smooth.
And the noise is like, it isn't that loud, just like the last one.
Land that on the asphalt. This one flies nicer than Mavic 1. Flies a little smoother. So my first review of it, this drone is nice. It's actually, I think if not cheaper, it's the same price as Mavic 1. And it flies like a dream. It's very smooth. It turns well, it stops well, pierces the air beautifully. It goes, I think, 5 miles an hour faster than Mavic 1. Overall, really nice. And the layout is nice on DJI Fly compared to Go 4. And it actually gives me an arrow, like it shows me as a point on the map where the drone is on a triangle, and you know, we just followed our way back home there. I thought we were lost for a second. Battery life is incredibly good because I just used probably 10 minutes flying, maybe like 8 minutes flying, and it still has 70%. It's not battery consuming like the other ones. You guys have it, Mavic Air 2. As you can see, the camera sensor is wider, the gimbal is more flexible, and it flies so smooth, so smooth. I recommend you guys go get it. If you're looking for a drone, birthday, graduation gift, go get one of these. The same price as the Mavic Air 1. Don't miss out, don't miss out.